What's up, guys? Welcome back to your JavaScript series brought to you by Code to Create CTC. In case you just skipped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode 17, we're going to be looking at the switch statement. Now, in the last tutorial, I told you guys that the switch statement is used to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. And I'll try to break down that English here. You can have one variable and test it for many case scenarios to make a decision. You understand? For example, if you want to write a program, if it's Monday, the program will tell you that, okay, have a nice day at your work. If it's Sunday, the program can greet you happy Sunday. If it's Friday, the program can greet you have a nice weekend, something like that. We'll create a program like that using the switch statement. First of all, we have a variable and it's set to Monday, so we want this program to greet us have a nice day at the office if it's Monday. What you need to do is to type the keyword switch and open your parentheses and just bring this name var into this place where you're going to test variable day. So you are like saying switch day, something like that. So we're going to test it for many case scenario. Open your parentheses because it's going to be inside the block. If you want to test for many alternatives, you have to use the case keyword. So you just type the case, you understand? Okay, if it's Sunday, then we want you to document the right, I want you to tell us happy Sunday, sir, and go ahead and type this break. I'll explain that later. And we can also test it for many other days in the week. So we can copy and paste this, and we'll test for the actual day, which is Monday. Remember, our variable is already set to Monday, so that's the correct stuff there. Understand? So I'm also test for Friday, and here we can say have a nice day at the office, and this one we can, since it's Friday, we can say have a nice weekend, something like that. And lastly, you come down here and just like we have the else statement. In this case, once this one is wrong, it doesn't correspond with this value here, and this one still doesn't correspond with this value here, and this one doesn't correspond with this value here, it will now go to the default block and run any block of code there. So we have it as the keyword default. Just type default, and we can now set it to like whatever, something like that, whatever. Remember your curly braces. So this is the block of code and the syntax of how to write a switch case statement. So just save this now and run this in your browser. Refresh. What do you have? Have a nice day at the office. Wow. Why do I have this? It's because we had set our variable to Monday, and for the case scenario Monday, we have it as have a nice day at the office. Supposing we change this to Sunday, so let me copy this and I'll change this to Sunday and save this and refresh. You see you have another output. Happy Sunday, sir. So supposing it's Friday, copy this and you paste this here, you save and you refresh, you have a nice weekend. Okay, but supposing it's not any of these here. Okay, let's just go for Wednesday and you come back here and refresh, you have whatever. Oh, whatever, because it didn't specify. This sounds harsh anyway. Alright, so this is the switch case statement. Now there's just one thing I want to explain to you guys here. Now you can see something very strange here, this break here. Alright, let's just go over the code again. This is the keyword switch to tell JavaScript that okay, you are trying to write a switch case statement here, you understand? And what are we testing for? We are testing for this variable day, which is here like this inside the parentheses, and you now open your curly braces and you close it here. So inside this block scope, you can now test it for each cases. So for case 1, we have it to be Sunday. If this Sunday is equal to the value here, it will run this statement, document write happy Sunday. But if it's not, it will go back and run this one like that. Alright, so do you know what this break keyword stands for? No, I guess. Now, if JavaScript is running this code and it's running it down like this, if it tests for the first case and it discovers that okay, it doesn't meet up with the value here, it will move over to the next case and it will check, is this value equal to this value? If it's equal to the value, say okay, yeah, I've seen it, I've seen my deadline, let me stop here. So this break line will break the code from running downwards. In other words, it will make you to write a compatible and efficient code, you understand? So by using this break, the JavaScript interpreter will not go ahead to test for this or test for this again. When it just sees the case and it discovers that this case meets the value, it will just stop here, and that's what it's trying to say, to just break the line. But if it doesn't meet the requirement, it will continue like that until it sees it and it will break the line. So that's it for this tutorial. If you really learned something from this video, please click on that like button below, and if you have any question, you can leave a comment below. I'll attend to them as soon as possible. Please do make sure you subscribe, and in our next tutorial we'll be looking at the for loop. All right, thank you and have a nice day.